With another cuerpo. Hola, meet lovers. It's your boy Thomas Mbonyeni Tsing Tsing from the Engineered Movement Africa. Ochele Kobantsipika Bumanda. Today, we are going to build an indoor built-in braai. So before we get started with the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and also ring the notifications bell in order for you to be alerted as soon as we post some of this high quality content. So let me go change, let me go put on my high quality blue collar, high performance gear. So let's get into the workshop. Let's go, guys. Alright guys, this is our built-in indoor braai. Let me just open it up for you. Just remove the pin on the left. It also comes with a high quality, long lasting ash pan. You can even call it a fire pan. This is where you put your coal or wood. It lasts long. It protects the braai from wearing out. It also comes with a braai grate. This is where you put your meat and say halal to the night. This is a ember maker. You use it to burn your coal separately or your wood separately. And finally, this is a rotating cowling base. It stops the rain from coming into the braai and causing rust. Let's wrap up this year on a high. Let's wrap up the products of the customers in style. Let's package and get the products to the customers. Inshallah. The product is now ready and well packaged. So let's go to the customer and give him his product. Sharp. We have now arrived at the customer's place. So let's see how the customer receives the product. But I can guarantee you, he'll be happy. He'll be the happiest customer this year. Let's go find out. Sharp. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at our customer's residence. Pedestal, thank you for believing in us. Thank you for helping us create jobs for the people. Sir, do you want us to help you unbox it?
Yeah, no, we have to. We have to see whether it's the right product or not.
Let's do what the customer wants. Let's unbox it. Let's unbox the product.
Oh. What are we unboxing? Oh, what is in the box? Only one box, sir.
Merry Christmas!
Only one box. One box.
Okay, which
the product is delivered.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas! Okay, this is how it works. This is the ember maker. I'm gonna put it like this in this. This is the braai grit. You put your meat here, and then voila, you know, to the minute. This is the ash pan. And this is the pin where you can lock your lower door. And finally, this is the base, this is the cowl to prevent the water, the rainwater from getting into your braai and ruining your braai with rust. That's the video, guys. That is terrible. Are you happy with your product?
Thank you, my brother. I always believe in you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, sharp, sharp.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, comment if the message or the video helps you to become a better person, and also share our content as much as you can. It's your boy Thomas Mboyeni Ting. I'll tell you about Rumanda, and I'll see you on the next one. Sharp, sharp. Take care because I care. Sharp.
WhatsApp us at 067-101-5985. And don't forget to follow us on these social media platforms.
Welding together is uniting Africa.